Everybody, Matt and Forrest here, ripping 2023 Topps Chrome Baseball Logofractor 10 box number 78. We've done 78 of the 10 boxers. That's a lot, dude.
That's a lot.
Addison W. Cardinals, Brandon S. Cubs, Brian G. Royals, Chris G. Astros, Christopher A. Tigers, Daniel S. Braves, Daryl R. Giants, David Z. Reds, Gary D. with the Blue Jays, Jim G. D-backs and Mariners, Joshua S. Red Sox, Matthew S. has the White Sox, Guardians, Rockies, Brewers, Twins, A's, Rays, and Nats. Michael G. Padres, Michael G.R. Padres, two Michael G's. Michael GRE with the Padres, Michael GRA with the Phillies, Peter A. Pirates, Richard A. Marlins, Ryan B. Orioles, Ryan A. Dodgers, Scott F. Yankees, Tammy Rangers, Tom B. Angels, Trenton with the Mets. Good luck, y'all. And that excludes everything we ripped on Fanatics Live for it, all the other mixers, things like that. Yeah, we've done a lot of Logofractor. A lot. You got a title for When I Break? Like a title for me? Forest fires at LSC? Sounds dangerous. Still raining outside? We were getting cooked by the rain a minute ago. Let me readjust this cam real quick. What's up, Flop? 2024 Topps Chrome releases this week. Move from the Mars to the... Wow, what's going on?
Huh? What?
Oh, ISS. I see. Euro Final was incredible. That's good football right there, man.
It was a good game.
So good. No, like, bad calls. Like, it was just good, dude. No controversy. All right, we got Logofractors of Meneses, Brian Bayo, Purple Castillo to 250 Seattle, to 199 rookie Miguel Vargas Dodgers, Austin Riley. Yeah, Palmer is a dog. There's a lot of young talent on those two squads. Freddie Freeman, Ezekiel Tovar, rookie Nelson Velasquez is 75 for the Cubs. Verlander and O'Neill Cruz. Oh, that was you, Kiro? That was a wild break. Two red Musialas, back-to-back boxes.
That's insane.
Congrats on that. Yeah, Man City's going to regret selling Cole Palmer. Hey, good for Chelsea. Chelsea's going to get it together pretty soon here, I think. They have so much young talent. Some guys are bound to start doing well. The only issue is their ownership and management like moves through coaches so fast.
Mm-hmm.
They get impulsive with decisions. Marte, Correa, Purple Tatis out of 250 for the Padres. Varsho and Alvarez. What EPL packs? Well, yeah, Palmer wanted to play, but Pep should have just played him.
Yeah.
Pep should have just played him. Langoliers. I mean, you can't really knock Pep that hard. It's Pep, but, you know. Eggy Rosario to 199 Nolan Arenado for the Cardinals. He was looking at the more future. He's looking at the, not the future, but he's looking at the immediate.
Mm-hmm.
Blue rookie DL Hall to 150 for the Orioles and a Josh Young for the Rangers. Well, Sancho's back with Man U. 10 Hogs getting Sancho back. That's interesting. They could use him, to be fair. This guy playing WoW. Yeah, City is super deep. Gonna. Pew pew. Got Vargas, rookie Dodgers, Aranda Rays, Jordan Walker, future stars for the Cardinals. Gorman Cardinals rookie, DeGrom. Ohape rookie for the Angels. Blue, future stars, Corbin Carroll D-backs, number to 150. Green out of 99 rookie auto for the Rockies, Michael Tolia. He's actually hitting pretty well this year. Pretty well, 53.99, especially recently. Trey Turner and Xander. No More Superfan will be playing WoW. Oh, you got the Reberry. Let's get some breaks filling, y'all. Full sellout promo tonight. Let me do some real quick, actually. Bing bong. To a WoW server near you. Oh, God, no, Larry. Although we do have a cracked out wizard in chat, so I don't know.
Yeah, it's a little.
If anyone sees that guy, ban that guy. Matt S. with a spot in the baseball mixer. Appreciate you, Matt. Let's go. 18 to go?
Yes, 18.
18 to go. Bofa Norris said so.
18.
They showed Lando at the at the Euro final.
Yes. No race this weekend, so not surprised.
What version of WoW do you play, No More Superfan? Because someone in Twitch is wondering. I don't know what any version is, so I would say Breakers Light Edition. How we doing, Robert?
What's up, Robert?
Gonna. All right, Logofractors, Garrett Mitchell, Julio, KB to 199 Rocks, Mookie, and Tolia for the Rocks. Cabrera rookie for the Yanks. Jock Peterson, Purple Seti Wap to 250 Orioles. Rookie auto for the Royals, Vinny Pasquantino. And Groshans. Nice, Robert. That's awesome, man. Hope you guys having a good trip. Hunter Brown, orange rookie Groshans at 25 for the Fish. Good color there. Auto rookie Ezekiel Tovar at 25 Rockies on the Future Stars. It's a great hit, man. This kid is getting his some recognition this year. Matthew S. with the Rockies. Very nice on-card Tovar. Really clean auto, it looks like. I mean, it looks pretty clean to me. That's sick, man. That's sick. J-Ram. Tim Anderson. Alcantara. Kershaw. Alvarez, Mets, Future Stars, Garrett Cole, and Jordan Walker. Hello, Jumbo Diaz.
Oh, Jumbo.
Yeah. Token Shady like their games. They be playing WoW and Diablo. I haven't played Xbox in 2 weeks, Bofa. Could you do that?
I have before, but do I want to? Not really.
The fact that I've been home the whole time is even crazier to me. I've been doing a lot of cards. I've been listing as many cards as I possibly can on eBay. I'm going Colombia tonight. I'm going Colombia. Only play Mario Party? Dude, let's go. We should have a Mario Party tournament at the shop. That would get, honestly, more intense. It's like if you play that or Smash Brothers, someone's like pissed and leaving the room, like storming out. F this is BS. Dude, it happens every time you play Mario Party or Mario Kart or Smash Brothers.
Someone's not getting along with someone.
Yeah, it always goes south. You can never have just a truly good time playing those games. There's no fun competition in Mario Party. Mario Party is honestly the worst one of them all, in my opinion.
Mario Party's crazy.
It gets, dude, because the mini games are so like,
God.
oh my dude, claw my brains out thinking about it. Gunnar Henderson, I used to hate that game. We'd always play it on like Wii or something when I was a kid.
Dude. Yeah, Mario Party was serious.
Someone always cries when you play Mario Party.
Mine was Mario Kart. Mario Kart, dude, watch out, bro. Watch out.
All right, Logofractor's here. Bichette, McClanahan to 199. Aranda for the Rays, the rookie there. Springer and Rafi Devers. You're not on Motto Town? Tyrone Holiday, Mackenzie Gore. Dude, that was sweet. That was sweet, man. Yeah, that was a crazy night for you, Chris. It was randoms, wasn't it, too? It's nuts. Bryce Harper, Nolan Arenado, Green the 99, Ketel Marte, D-backs. Rookie auto, JJ Bleday for the Marlins. And Abrams. Otani, Suzuki, Soto insert, Alvarez rookie Mets, Pigueto Pirates. Yeah, that's wild, Chris. Congrats, man. Kings Island. Screaming, dude, that's sick. That's always fun. Always fun hitting in a break. A Hall, Moreno, Grissom, Future Stars, Castillo, and Casas rookie. $18 to go, y'all. High-end baseball mix-up. Yeah, I was wondering. I've heard of that. I just didn't know it was in Cincinnati. I was gonna say I've heard of that before. I suppose all the coasters, isn't it? All the craziness there. Was that a? Is that an airball free throw? What was that?
What are you doing?
Force No More Superfan, a slab of meat in Twitch. Slab of meat?
What are we doing?
Bofa disapproves.
What are we doing?
It's better than Sean's name in Twitch. I can't even say it out loud.
It'll come to me.
Say it starts with D's. Yeah. Face orange frowning. I'd be frowning too if I was a Tigers and Marlins fan.
Oh my god.
All right, last 3 boxes here. '38th birthday. SpongeBob's 38? Excuse me? Didn't it first come out in like 99? I know that's not literally how old he is, but what are we doing here? Yeah, Spencer, that was 21 years ago. It is my 5th favorite World Series of all time. Wait, he was 12 when the show started? Where are you getting this information from, Devin?
How do you know that?
Also, did they not have child labor laws in Bikini Bottom? Bro was a fry cook. He was 12 years old?
Living by himself?
Living by himself? Devin is
Pineapple
12.
under
Yeah,
the
that
sea,
might be
bro?
true. Yeah. I'm not saying like be on YouTube, but careful what you're watching on YouTube, man. We got SpongeBob conspiracy videos out there now.
My god.
All right, we got Duran rookie, blue to 150 Trey Turner Phillies. It is rookie future stars Riley Green Tigers, Riley Green, Logofractor Tigers, and Yoshida for Boston. Oh man, you got cooked, bro. You got cooked, Bofa. Bro needs a haircut. Yvonne Herrera, Max Meyer, rookie Logan O'Hoppe to 199 Angels. Nelson Velasquez and Cedric Mullins. Your 41 always SpongeBob is 38. Let's be real. SpongeBob has his life together more than we do. Esteury Ruiz, Juan Soto, purple to 250 O'Neal Cruz to the Pirates. Green Medelson and 99 Braves. Gonzalez rookie Guardians. Salvi Perez, Byron Buxton, Moreno rookie, Future Stars D-backs, Pena rookie cup, Strohs, Volpe Yankees rookie. Bofa Skullet soon. Yeah, let's hope. Jake wouldn't do it because Jake was a baby. He didn't do it. Got Ketel Marte, Matt Olson, Future Stars Corbin Carroll, Rutschman rookie Logofractor, Mike Trout. Lennon Sosa White Sox, Eggy Rosario Padres, rookie to 199 Vaughn Grissom going to the Braves. Peraza rookie to 150 Yanks, and Tim Anderson. Sunday Funday is on the schedule for about 11:30 p.m. Could be earlier, could be later than that. Really depends on how the night fills up. Still 22 to go on Sunday Funday NFL, everybody. Baseball Mixer is, of course, at 18 to go, almost halfway on the Baseball Mixer. But Sunday Funday football is at 21. It's been at 21 for a minute now. Let's get it going. 2022 National Treasures first off the line. 2018 Prism, 2020 Prism.
Wolf needs a boozy fade. It's a boozy fade. Whatever it is, I'm not getting it.
Here, I'll Google it. I guess it's a song.
Yeah, no.
It could be any of these. Is it that? I think it's that. See it hurt. Comes
It's
down.
like
And
super, super high up. I'm good. I'm good. I'll pass. I'll pass.
quick recap. All right, numbered cards. We've got O'Neal Cruz, Cedric Mullins, Fernando Tatis, Luis Castillo, Jonathan Aranda, Vaughn Grissom, Logan Ohape, Chris Bryant, Nolan Arenado, Miguel Vargas, Trey Turner, DL Hall, Oswald Peraza, Corbin Carroll, Matt Olson, Ketel Marte, Nelson Velasquez, Jordan Groshans. We had a few autos. It's pretty good for a 10-boxer. JJ Bleday, Vinny Pasquantino, totally a rookie to 99 for the Rockies. And Rockies again, orange rookie auto future star Ezekiel Tovar, 25. That'll do, y'all. Moving on to more sports.